How does a critical component, often overlooked, silently undermine the lifespan and performance of your lead-acid batteries, leading to premature failure and unexpected power loss? The longevity and efficiency of refillable lead-acid batteries hinge on a delicate internal chemistry, primarily dictated by the electrolyte. This sulfuric acid solution is not merely a conductive medium, it actively participates in the electrochemical reactions that store and release energy. Any deviation from its optimal balance initiates a cascade of detrimental effects, gradually degrading battery capacity and accelerating its end of life. Understanding and maintaining this precise electrolyte equilibrium is paramount for maximizing operational uptime and reducing replacement costs. Ignoring this fundamental aspect introduces significant operational vulnerabilities. The electrolyte in a lead-acid battery consists of sulfuric acid, H2SO4, diluted in water, H2O. During discharge, the sulfuric acid reacts with the lead plates, forming lead sulfate, PbSO4, and consuming sulfate ions, which in turn dilutes the acid. Conversely, during charging, the process reverses. Lead sulfate is converted back into lead and lead dioxide, releasing sulfate ions and increasing the acid concentration. This cyclical transformation underscores the electrolyte's dynamic role, where its precise concentration directly correlates with the battery's state of charge and capacity. A primary challenge in maintaining electrolyte balance is water loss, predominantly through two mechanisms. Evaporation, particularly in warmer climates or poorly ventilated environments, slowly reduces the water content. More significantly, electrolysis occurs during the charging process, especially during overcharging. When the battery reaches full charge, excess electrical energy dissociates water into hydrogen and oxygen gases, which vent out of the battery. This gas evolution is not only a safety concern but also progressively concentrates the sulfuric acid, altering the electrolyte's specific gravity. As water evaporates or is electrolyzed, the sulfuric acid becomes more concentrated. This increased acid concentration leads to several undesirable outcomes. Highly concentrated acid is more corrosive, accelerating the degradation of internal components, particularly the battery plates and separators. Furthermore, a higher acid concentration can elevate the battery's internal resistance, impeding efficient charge and discharge cycles. This altered chemical environment also affects the plate integrity, potentially leading to plate warping or softening over time, which directly impacts overall battery performance and lifespan. Another critical issue is electrolyte stratification. Due to the difference in density between sulfuric acid and water, if the battery remains in a partially discharged state for extended periods or is inadequately charged, the heavier sulfuric acid tends to settle at the bottom of the battery cells. This phenomenon results in a higher acid concentration at the bottom and a lower concentration at the top. The varying acid density creates an uneven electrochemical environment within the cell, hindering uniform plate reactions and charge acceptance. Electrolyte stratification profoundly impacts battery performance. The lower acid concentration at the top of the plates leads to underutilization of the upper plate material, effectively reducing the battery's active capacity. Concurrently, the higher acid concentration at the bottom accelerates corrosion and sulfation of the lower plate regions, leading to premature degradation. This differential chemical activity across the plate's surface causes uneven wear, ultimately shortening the battery's functional life and diminishing its ability to deliver consistent power, thereby creating a bottleneck in energy delivery. Temperature exerts a significant influence on electrolyte behavior. Elevated temperatures increase the rate of water evaporation and accelerate chemical reactions within the battery, potentially leading to overcharging and increased gassing if charging parameters are not adjusted. Conversely, low temperatures reduce electrolyte conductivity and slow down chemical reactions, decreasing the battery's available capacity and its ability to accept a charge. Extreme temperatures at either end of the spectrum place considerable stress on the electrolyte and battery components, demanding careful thermal management to preserve optimal balance. Monitoring the electrolyte's specific gravity is a fundamental diagnostic tool for assessing the state of charge and overall health of a lead-acid battery. Specific gravity measures the density of the electrolyte relative to water, A fully charged battery has a higher specific gravity due to a higher concentration of sulfuric acid. As the battery discharges, sulfate ions are consumed, decreasing the acid concentration and thus the specific gravity. Regular measurement provides direct insight into the electrolyte balance, allowing for timely intervention before significant degradation occurs. To accurately measure specific gravity, a temperature-compensated hydrometer is essential. The measurement procedure involves drawing a sample of electrolyte into the hydrometer and reading the scale. It is crucial to perform this measurement when the battery is at a stable temperature, ideally between 20 °C and 25 °C. Readings taken at temperatures outside this range require correction using established tables to account for thermal expansion or contraction of the electrolyte, ensuring the validity of the specific gravity reading and avoiding misinterpretation of the battery's actual state. When the electrolyte level drops, only distilled or deionized water must be added. Tap water contains minerals and impurities, such as iron, magnesium, and calcium, which can react with the active materials on the battery plates. These impurities can lead to self-discharge, reduced capacity, internal shorts, and accelerated plate corrosion. The introduction of even small amounts of these contaminants can irrevocably damage the battery's internal chemistry and dramatically shorten its operational life, creating a persistent challenge to maintaining long-term battery integrity. Refilling the electrolyte requires precision to avoid overfilling or underfilling. Underfilling exposes the battery plates to air, causing irreversible sulfation and reducing active material. Overfilling, conversely, leads to electrolyte overflow during charging due to expansion and gassing, resulting in acid leakage and potential corrosion of battery terminals and surrounding equipment. Always fill cells to the designated level, typically marked by a fill line or ring inside the cell opening, ensuring the plates are fully submerged but leaving adequate expansion room. Equalization charging is a controlled overcharge applied to lead-acid batteries to correct electrolyte stratification and reduce sulfation. This process involves charging the battery at a higher voltage than normal for a specific period, typically until all cells are gassing freely and their specific gravity readings stabilize at the fully charged level. The increased gassing vigorously mixes the electrolyte, redistributing acid uniformly throughout the cell. This method resolves the density gradient issues and converts hard lead sulfate crystals back into active material, restoring capacity. Temperature compensation in charging is critical for maintaining electrolyte balance and preventing damage. Battery charging voltages are inherently temperature dependent. A lower temperature requires a higher charging voltage, while a higher temperature demands a lower voltage to prevent overcharging. Modern charge controllers often incorporate temperature sensors to automatically adjust charging parameters. Failing to compensate for temperature variations can lead to either undercharging, promoting sulfation, or overcharging, accelerating water loss and plate corrosion, thereby undermining battery health. Effective electrolyte management is not merely a maintenance task but a scientific imperative for refillable lead-acid batteries. Regular specific gravity checks, diligent water topping off with pure water, and periodic equalization charges are fundamental to mitigating degradation and extending operational life. These practices directly address the challenges of water loss and stratification, safeguarding performance. By rigorously adhering to these maintenance protocols, you can significantly enhance battery longevity and reliability. Ensure the maximum lifespan and optimal performance of your lead-acid batteries. Implement these scientific maintenance practices today.